ACB had arrested Sunil Gudlar, the PI of Konkan Railway Police Station, and Hussain Mohammad Harihar on 22nd of April. The charges against them were that they sought for some bribe, as some bovine meat was transported in Konkan Railway, and to settle that issue, offence was registered. To settle that issue, they asked for certain bribes. So a trap was laid, and subsequently they were caught. Some money was recovered at the instance of the accused, and from that day they are in custody. So it was actually supposed to be before the special judge, Madam Shireen Paul, who is presently on leave due to some reason. For police custody till today, and it was argued it was kept for orders today. However, as the orders are not ready, the accused are further remanded till 3rd of May, and matter is fixed for orders on 2nd of May in the morning.